Hi. Today we're gonna be doing a Nerf War with pistols. With these Nerf dart tag blasters. They fire. Okay, so did that seriously just go out the window? Are you kidding me? Okay, did that go out the window? I don't know where they're going. Anyway. Today I'm going to be joined by my friend Brody. Brody, come here. Come here. Ow. He's getting retarded. Okay, come here. This is Brody.
Hi. As you see, he's a midget.
Now come here and find my bullet. Let's go.
Oh, God. Be back.
Stay there. Stay there. Ouch. Wait,
I think it's behind the TV.
Find it.
Big Dodo.
Suck up. Out. I freaking.
No.
I freaking stick you.
Ow!
Okay. Let me know for begin. Get on your side.
Okay.
We have 3 bullets each and a gun each. So this is my base in here. That's his base up there.
I'll shoot you.
3, 2, crack. 2, 1, go.
I've been hit. Safe restart, guys. Yes.
Go here. Whoa! Go in my way. Check this out. This is gonna be funny.
Come on, Willis.
I'm coming.
Alright, man. You're boring. I'm more bored than the audience.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
It's a pistol, you idiot! You're already cheating! Oh
No, you didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. Alright, I'm gonna shoot some bullets. Wait, there's one there. Isn't there one in here? Whoa! I freaking hit them.
Matrix! No!
Boom! Boosh! Bam! Great. Whoa! I'm just gonna run! Oh, fuck!
Oh my gosh!
What? What is that? What? These guns are so inaccurate.
No.
Oh, whoa! Matrix, dude. Matrix, dude.
There's that one of the cameras like TV.
Frickin' Matrix. Whoa! Oh, boom! Where'd the boat go? Frick! Ah. Keep the Nerf gun going. Oh, damn! No. Oh. Okay. We're gonna keep this going. But see you later. See you next time. Leave a like, subscribe, and if you don't, I'll pee on